Thought I'd give you an update on our garden. Inside tomato plants with marigolds, and then I take my celery and I regrow it in here. My strawberries are looking fabulous. I've made a lot of new babies that you just allow to go in there. Absolutely lush, really doing well. And I planted many different varieties of tomato. See the difference in the leaf, and we'll see who does what. Let the lemongrass grow, and have had some delicious additions to some of our meals. So in our new plants, we have onions, tomatoes, peppers, whole thing of mesclun salad, lettuces. What we have planted in the beds have peppers and marigolds, and everything is interspersed with things that will help fight off insects. This garden is newly planted too. One additional thing that we did this year, decided to plant this area with some lower growing vegetables like squashes, zucchinis, and summer squashes, and some pumpkins and watermelon